Maybe you hate Jay Powell. Maybe you love him. Maybe you have no idea who he is. Regardless, what you need to know is that he's in charge of the Federal Reserve. So he controls what's known as short rates. That means the short-term interest rates there are like the ones you borrow today and pay you back tomorrow. The president points to the head of the Federal Reserve, and in this case, it was President Trump who hired Powell during his first term. Trump now thinks Powell's doing a terrible job because he won't cut interest rates. So the president takes jabs at him every chance he gets. Unfortunately, this presidential obsession has a lot of impact on the markets. Today, for example, we got hit on rumors that Trump will fire Powell, and then the market came back when the president said it's not true. Dow only gaining 231 points, S&P advancing 0.32%, NASDAQ climbing 0.25%. Now, I thought the sell-off on the rumor and the sharp rally on the news of the president letting Powell alone was dispositive, and I'm going to tell you why. Buy. The president wants Powell out. But when we got a whiff of the rumor that he'd take action, longer-term interest rates went up, with the sacred 30-year Treasury going from 4.97% to 5.07%. Now, that was done in an hour. I know it's small, but you know the direction. The direction is for interest rates to go higher. Bad. At the same time, the S&P 500 went from 6,254 to 6,201 on the rumor, but then rallied back to 6,263 after the denial. Good. So clearly the stock and bond markets don't want Powell getting ousted. That's night and day, right there. Boom.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.